Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to save a TikTok video without the watermark. So let's start. First, open the TikTok app. Now what we'll do is we'll record a TikTok video and then download it without the watermark. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to add a TikTok video. Now we'll select a song by tapping on sounds at the top of the screen. I'll just randomly choose a song. You can select any song you like. You can also search for music. I'll just randomly select one. And now I'll tap on the record button to record a video. Okay, that will do. Now tap on the tick button on bottom right corner. Here you will see a preview. Now tap next on bottom right corner. Now I'll just upload this TikTok video by tapping on post. And it takes a few moments to upload the video. And it's done. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. And select the video you just uploaded. Now tap on the three dots on the right hand side. And here you will have the option to save the video. Tap on that. And your video will be saved to your camera roll. Now if we close the TikTok app and go to gallery, here you will see the TikTok video I just recorded. Now I'll just play it on full screen. And you can see that there is no watermark of TikTok app. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.